welcome back to my channel. Today is vlogmas day 3. Why did I almost forget that? But today we're doing a Christmas makeup tutorial or whatever I come up with, because I haven't made a video I haven't made a makeup video in a very long time, so I hope you guys enjoy. First we're going to start with eyebrows. So the two products I'm going to use are brow pencil and brown, I think, and Essence brow gel. The brows are basically done. Now I just gotta not fill them in. What's the word called? Clean them up with concealer.
What was the reason? What was the reason?
So now I'm gonna go into primer of what?
Where's your remote go?
I don't know. Watch your iPad.
No, they're playing.
Now I'm gonna use this Pro Conceal. Really? In the shade Porcelain for my eyelid, because I noticed the eyeshadow worked better when I use a lighter shade. So now that I look like a raccoon with red or white around my eyes, I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette. I don't know what brand it is. Someone gave it to me, so I'm gonna try it out. So kind of like a review. See? So I think I'm going to go with just this shade right here and take this plastic. I need a clean brush. That's too light. So now we're gonna go in with this brown. Can you see it? That. I'm going with the deeper brown. Don't think y'all want to see the browns. Just going in with the deeper brown. Now I'm gonna do a full cut crease. I'm gonna use my real shade concealer because I want it to match. I don't want it to be light. This rounded flat brush like this. I think I got some in it, but Jace, just gonna cut the crease. It's probably gonna take a long time. I haven't did this in a long time. So I'm done cutting the crease. Trying to figure out what do I want to do. Do I want to leave it like that, or do I want to add glitter or something? I don't know. What do I want to do? I'm gonna add glitter. I think I'm gonna add this red and silver glitter right here. It's like, it looks pressed, but when you pick, it's like a subtle something. I'm like this cut off. But this is how it's looking.
I want that to be shown.
What?
Dad?
Let me see. You want a Pac-Man game?
What?
You want a Pac-Man game?
What?
You want a Pac-Man game?
Yes.
He watched one little video and he's in love with Pac-Man. Then he come in here smacking. Now I'm just gonna cover up some of that glitter right there that got on the cut greens. Shh, don't tell nobody. I'ma do red. I'ma do red. So is this red? I'm scared. That didn't work. I don't have a small enough brush.
1,000 years later.
I'm gonna go into the red. This is horrendous. But I'm gonna keep going and I'll be back with you. So I think I'm done with the eyes for now. This lighting is not doing it no justice, but I'm gonna come back and add more glitter when I do my face. I don't think I'm gonna do foundation because you already see all the breakouts on my face. We ain't gonna talk about it. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. hydrating concealer under my eyes. And we're gonna let it sit like Jackie Aina. And we're gonna cover up the bumps with this because it matches the Maybelline in the shade Caramel. If you ever want to know the shade of anything, just comment below. And if I don't see it, and I'll respond. If you think it might be like close to my shade. This brush, it's like this, and blend out under my eyes. Tiny bit with the brush so I can get more precise. Now I'm gonna go in with this flat brush right here, out the way, and blend the rest. Cause now we're gonna do cream products. So first we're gonna do cream contour. We're gonna use this Wet n Wild stick in the shade Call Me Maple. Just do it right here, right on my forehead, under my lip, and right here. So then we're gonna blend that first. We're gonna blend it with this Real Techniques brush. Oh, I missed under my chin. Gonna make that chin look snatched. And we're gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup blush, lip and blush thingy, and I think we're gonna put it on the brush because why do I have that? I need to throw that away. I'm gonna put it on the brush because when I put it on my face, it like takes off my product that's on my face. You're gonna smile. It smells so good. I'm gonna put some on the nose. Now we're gonna go in with the powder, and we're gonna use Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Toffee. First we're gonna use a Billy blender, a real technique sponge actually. I'm gonna pull down right here, not hard, just a little, so you can get into the crease of your eyes, so you don't set any creases, and you might want to blend it out some more. Oopsies, got makeup on my mirror. And we're gonna set it. Smile lines, makeup bubble. Gonna powder the rest of our face, like put on the blush to tone it down a little. We're gonna go back and put more glitter, like right here, to make a complete seam. Girl, if you don't get on this brush, take the same red that I did that with, and just, I feel like that looks a little plain or weird, so I'm going to put like tone the red down with some of this orangish red. I don't know if I just messed it up. Take this Essence eye pencil, and I just realized it was in hot chocolate. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. So now we're gonna do mascara. I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup mascara. I was gonna do lashes, but lashes is gonna cover the wing, so we're just gonna do mascara. You know, travel sizes, they should put mini wands. Trace, are you sleeping?
No.
Why do I kind of like it? I think I like brown. Should I get brown lipstick? It ain't coming off. Use this LA Colors High Shine Gloss. Dang, this thing is tight.
No.
I'm gonna have to get more of these. I like these. They'll probably get everywhere though, because it's a lip gloss. And I forgot bronzer. How did I forget bronzer? So this is the Wet n Wild bronzer. Contour actually. This ColourPop highlighter and Much Money. Put some on the brow. Because I don't want to use something goldy because this isn't a gold look. I'm going to use this e.l.f. highlighter brush. I'm just going to highlight. Can't forget the nose, the chin, just a little bit. We don't want to make the bump look bigger. We're done. So this is the final look. You can barely tell the lighting is bad, but let me show you the mess in my. The mirror is disgusting. Disgusting. But I got to clean all this up. Hold on, let me put my mini ring light. Because I don't feel like getting my big one out. It's already like 9 o'clock. But thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and comment videos you want to see from me. I don't know why I look like that. This is how it looks. I could have did better, but I'll do another one. That's what I would do. Because I have 20 something more days of videos to do. I actually want to do it so it can feel accomplished, but I don't know if I will be able to. But thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.